The 90R Mass Fusion Splicer with active blade management technology. The 90R is a mass fusion splicer with stable conditions suitable for up to 12 fibers. It can splice conventional encapsulated ribbon as well as various ribbons including 200-micron coated spiderweb ribbon. The 90R delivers precise splicing and programmable features like an automated wind protector and an automated tube heater. Over its lifetime, the 90R's V-grooves become coated in vaporized glass deposits and other debris, leading to poor fiber alignment and unstable arc discharges. Instead of returning the machine for service, the 90R is equipped with replaceable V-grooves that can quickly and easily be removed and installed in the field to minimize downtime. Each 90R includes a spare set of V-grooves loaded with electrodes if V-groove replacement becomes necessary. The 90R keeps you running with features like long-life electrodes, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, and pre-installed reference guide with splicer instructions and useful tips. The 90R's versatile carrying case doubles as a workstation. Its removable work tray makes working in challenging environments easier, and when needed, the work tray can separate to become an even more portable, compact splicing work area. The 90R's work tray has drawers with enough storage space to house and protect your splicing tools and accessories, so you can be ready even without the case. The 90R is ruggedized for shock, rain, and dust resistance. Combining the 90R with the CT50 cleaver and RS-03 ribbon stripper makes ribbon preparation quick and easy. The RS-03 is ergonomically designed to make stripping effortless. With the pressure point further away from the blade, simple leverage greatly increases the blade's holding force and reduces the finger pressure required for a quality strip. Compared to its predecessor, the pull force required to strip 12 fiber ribbons with the RS-03 is reduced by 25%. The RS-03 can strip 200, 250, and 400 micron thick ribbons without changing a blade, giving you versatility no matter the application. The RS-03 is equipped with a high-capacity battery capable of delivering up to 600 strips on a single charge. The durable RS-03 is designed to withstand drops on all surfaces. The RS-03 is also rain and dust resistant. The 90R and CT50 deliver improved splicing efficiency powered by active blade management technology. The CT50 offers easy access and can accommodate longer stripped fibers than previous models. The CT50 can cleave loaded fibers with a single action. Its blade can yield up to 5,000 12-fiber ribbon cleaves. To reduce downtime and operating cost, the CT50's fiber clamp and blade can easily be replaced by users in the field. And as an industry first, the durable CT50 can withstand severe shock from all directions, including drops. The 90R, CT50, and RS-03 deliver improved efficiency powered by active blade management technology. The 90R can interface with the RS-03 and one or two CT50 cleavers via wireless communication. With this feature, the RS-03 can adjust automatically to accommodate varying fiber and ribbon stripping requirements. The 90R's splice modes are geared not only to meet your varying splice needs, but are also preset with different temperature settings which are communicated wirelessly from the 90R to the RS-03. This enables the RS-03 ribbon stripper to automatically adjust its heater temperature for optimal fiber stripping. To more accurately maintain its stripping blade, the RS-03 signals the 90R at the completion of each strip. Upon receiving the signal, the 90R adds the number of strip fibers to the total number of fibers stripped by the current blade in its lifetime. When this total meets or exceeds the recommended stripping count for an individual blade, the 90R indicates that the blade should be replaced. To ensure quality and reliable splices, the 90R also analyzes fiber cleave end shapes. When it detects that the current blade position is expended, the 90R uses its wireless communication to signal the CT50 to automatically rotate its blade. The CT50 then signals the 90R to indicate that the blade rotation is complete. The 90R ensures that automatic blade rotations are appropriately timed by initiating them based on the frequency of bad cleaves. As a cleaver blade wears down from use, it inevitably begins to produce bad cleaves. As the blade incurs more wear, bad cleaves occur more frequently. Once a number of bad cleaves have occurred in close succession, the 90R judges the blade to be worn and in need of rotation. It then signals the CT50 to automatically rotate the blade to a non-worn position. The 90R makes blade management easy by automatically logging every fiber cleave and tracking all 16 rotational positions at each of the 3 height positions. The 90R counts the number of fiber cleaves in accordance with the fiber count being spliced. If a 12-fiber ribbon is spliced, the CT50 counts 12 for each cleave. The same process applies regardless of the ribbon count being spliced. For easy reference, the CT50's blade life and the RS-03's heater temperature setting are displayed clearly on the 90R's main screen. When you need fast, accurate, and efficient mass fusion splices, choose the 90R Mass Fusion Splicer, equipped with active blade management technology.